What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. So you can see I've just gone long on euro. Dropped my stop loss just to the midpoint of this order block, and I want to see if euro can manage to trade up into here. Now we just had high impact news at 10. It's been quite messy in terms of price action, but we came down, grabbed these stops below here. We had relatively equal lows, so that's been grabbed. So now I want to see us push up and run for that. There's a swing high up here. As that's doing that, I'm expecting dollar to trade deeper, preferably to touch that monthly bullish order block open. We're currently in I think it's a monthly inversion, implied fair value gap, or weekly. There's a low here for Dixie to draw to. So yeah, I'm just going to see if see how we can trade higher. So here I do want to bring your attention to the way that we consolidate. You see how we come very close to my stop loss, but we don't actually take the stop loss. And the reason for that, and the reason I knew price wasn't going to take it, was because the stop loss was below the 50% level of that order block I draw our attention to at the beginning. And price should continue to respect that if we're bullish, and as you can see, that's exactly what happened. And there we have it. So I hope you found this insightful. Just a little trade higher, very simple. Entered on a breaker, low, high, lower, low. Draw out that breaker block. You'll see that's where the entry occurred, right here. So yeah, beautiful little move right there. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.